Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Don't know where that came from. But hello, welcome back. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps with my channel, and turn that notification bell on, because as you can probably tell by now, and I've said this many times, I'm uploading all the time at the moment. It is normally Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but like I said, Halloween, Christmas is basically here. It has arrived, as you can tell by today's video. So I am doing a lot of bonus uploads as well. But let's just get straight into today's video. So if you watched yesterday's video, I uploaded a full reveal and a review on the Revolution Halloween Carnival collection, which is basically like their Halloween collection this year, and it's kind of got like a bit of like a carnival theme to it. So yesterday we tested the big palette from the collection, we tested the lip stain, the bullet lipstick with the skull ring, and we also tested the transformation like eyeliner things, whatever they were called. I can't remember, I filmed it last week. So let's just get straight into today's video where we're going to test whatever is left from the collection, which is these bad boys. So we have 2 palettes left to test, and we also have the Midnight Kiss lip kit as well. All of these are £6 each, so there is more of a warm tone palette and a cool tone palette, so we'll do one on one eye, one on the other, and we'll finish off the look with the lip kits. So this is just what it looks like, and that one in the middle looks like it might be like a pure glitter, which looks absolutely amazing. And then this is what the cool toned one looks like, and this one in this side, the bottom corner, again looks like it is like a really like glittery colour, so I'm really excited to try both of these. So let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to take my Revolution Super Base from the Create Revolution collection, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I know I said in yesterday's video, which I actually filmed Friday last week, I'm filming this video, I'm filming it the day before you're seeing it. But when I filmed last Friday's video, I was like, oh, I'm getting my brows done today. My brow lady cancelled on me. So I'm not getting them done now until this Friday. So again, my brows are just wild. I don't want to do anything with them until I get them done, properly done by her. So yeah, I cannot wait to get my brows done. So when I actually look at this palette, do you know what? You could actually do like a really pretty, like neutrally eye. I desperately need to wash my makeup brushes because I'm running low. So I'm taking a I Heart Revolution brush from the Fruity Pebbles collection, what a throwback, and I'm going to go in with this darker shade in the palette, and I'm going to start by applying that in the outer corner to begin with. And then I'm going to take this brush from, I'm guessing, a Revolution Pro brush set, probably like a Christmas gift set or something. I don't know, actually, it's a really nice brush. It might be from like an actual, I think it might be from that gold tin that has Revolution Pro brushes in. But anyways, I'm going to go in with the red shade in the palette. I'm saying that looks stunning. You best believe we're putting that gold on my eyeballs. But let's go in with that red. I'm just going to pack some of that on the brush. And then I'm going to apply that just above that colour. And then I'm actually going to take that through my crease as well. So now that it's like that, I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this colour here, which is like the lightest brown in the palette. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe M513 brush. And I'm basically going to use that to blend out this red. And just going all the way around and just kind of blowing it out. Okay, so now that it's looking a little grungy little moment like this, I'm going to go in with this shimmer in this top corner. I'm just going to use my finger. I'm just going to use this, oh, it's a bit hard pressed, this one, but I'm going to use that just as a little bit of a, it's not very good, that one, a little bit of a base for the glitter to go on top of. I'm not really impressed with that shimmer, to be honest with you, but I'm going to go in with the glitter next. I'm so excited. Yeah, so it is like glitter like what was in the other palette. Oh my god, it looks beautiful. So let's pack this. I've made sure not to pick up like too much, just so I'm gently building it up, because I normally just go way too ham with it. Oh my god, that is beautiful. I find it absolutely crazy that there's literally like no fallout, like the odd couple little specks. Considering I haven't used a glitter glue and I'm applying it with my finger, but you can feel that there's like a, I think I said this in yesterday's video, like there's like a bit of like a substance there, like a sticky, not sticky, it doesn't feel sticky because you know I don't like sticky stuff, but it feels like there's, the glue's like compressed into something. The glitter's like compressed into something, so it just kind of like sticks really, really well, and like it sticks where you put it. I don't know if that makes any sense. But honestly, that is probably the easiest glitter I've ever applied in my whole life. Like, just like that, and it's done. I've got a glittery lid. I can't get over that. So that is the first eye done. Obsessed, absolutely obsessed. So easy as well. Definitely going to be putting that glitter on my other eye because it looks intense. But this one has like a really like crazy foil formula in it that I'm so excited to try. The colours that are in this palette are very similar to the other one, but just a completely different colour story. If that makes any sense. I'm going to basically do the same look, but a different colour story on this eye, and do like the exact same placement and everything. I'm going to go in with, this is the I Heart Revolution Cocoa Pebbles brush, basically the same brush that we've just used, but in the Cocoa Pebbles one, with a nice angled packing on brush. And I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is the darkest one in the palette. So taking that shade, just like what we did on, I didn't pick a new pen, just like we did on the other side, I'm going to put this on the outer corner. And then taking just a fluffy brush like this, I've just broke it. This is from a Revolution Christmas gift set. Clearly the glue's gone in it, but I'm still going to use it because it's still usable. But I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is like more of a lighter grey. And like I said, I'm basically just kind of doing the same as what I did on the other side, but with a different colour story. So I'm just going to go through with that grey, and I'm going to pack it on just above that darker colour. I'm actually going to go back in with that darker colour, and I'm going to actually take some of it through the crease instead. Probably could have done with like a medium grey in this palette, but we will make it work regardless. So I'm going to do the same as the other eye. I'm going to go in with a shimmer to begin with before I put down the glitter. But to be fair, this shimmer looks beautiful. Oh my god, it's not. It's a glitter. It's another glitter. It's a lighter glitter. Whoa. And then this one is like a deeper one. Wow. I'm going to go with both then. Okay, fair dues. So let's go in with the lighter glitter to begin with, and then go in with a bit of the darker one. That's with the two glitters on. The only thing that annoys me is I wish that this was like as dark as what it looks. I'm going to try and pack some more on. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this one to see if that makes it any deeper. That one's got a bit of shimmer in, but I don't mind too much. I just want it to be a lot more deeper in this outer bit. There we go, that's better. Yeah, I think maybe I was just a little bit light-handed when I first put that on, because I've used the majority of the same shade. I tapped into that darker shimmer like once. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. I'm going to clean up underneath my eyes. I'm going to clean up here. I'll put my base on and then we'll come back. I'll also pop these same matte colours underneath my eyes like I normally do. And we'll come back and we'll try this bad boy, which I'm so excited about because I think it is going to be like the same formula as their contour lip kits because it's the same name. I feel like this is just like a Halloween edition version of it. So yeah, really excited to get to use a lip liner in today's video because it's going to make it so much more smoother, more opaque, and just perfection. But yeah, let me go finish off my face and I'll be back and we will try this bad boy. So I'll pop the rest of my base on and let's finish it off with the lip kit. I'm not going to bother putting any mascara on because I'm literally going to take it off straight after this. So I don't want to put, oh my god, any mascara on and have to rub my eyes because I'm going to film another makeup look after this. Oh my god, itchy nose. So starting with the Midnight Kiss Black Lip Liner. Ooh. Okay, that looks really good. So that is the lip liner applied. Obviously, I've left it a little bit in the middle so we can put this bad boy on. So going in with the liquid lipstick. Oh my god, it smells so nice. I'm going to apply that right on my lips. Super pigmented, really easy to apply. Just what I thought. Banging. Not my best application because I'm rushing. Oh, lovely. But yeah, this is the finished look. I would love to know what you think down below. Do you prefer the mini palettes? Do you prefer the big palette? Out of the two, which side do you prefer? Do you prefer the more like warm, ready side? Or do you prefer the more cool toned, grey, kind of side, please let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. You'll know what it is tomorrow. It's Beetlejuice time. Beetlejuice, yes. Beetlejuice, yes. So I'll be back tomorrow showing you the full Beetlejuice collection. Thank you so much for watching. I will hopefully see you tomorrow for that video. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.